Okay, here's a cool problem. Given a third degree polynomial with zeros 3 and 2i, find the polynomial equation that represents this polynomial, the polynomial equation with real coefficients. So they don't want our answer to have any i's in it. They want us to get rid of all the i's and all the parentheses at that. Get rid of all the parentheses. Okay, so first thing they told us is that the polynomial p of x is a degree 3 polynomial. And that tells us that there are exactly 3 complex roots, including multiplicity. So the roots might have i's, they might not, but there's a total of 3 exact roots, but some of them might count more than once, so they might not look like there's 3, but we'll find out. Okay, so it has complex roots already, 3 and 2i. Those are complex roots. Remember, complex numbers are the set of all real and all imaginary numbers. So these are complex numbers. But it also has one more complex number, one imaginary number specifically, that didn't appear in the list. It's the conjugate of the imaginary number 2i. What is the conjugate of 2i? Negative 2i. Okay, so we actually have all 3 of the roots, 3 plus or minus 2i. Conclusion, using the lead coefficient 1 for convenience, because you can use any lead coefficient. I'm just trying to keep it simple, and that's the way you're going to do it on your test. P of x equals the number 1 times the factorization, of linear factorization, x minus 1 times x minus 2i times x minus a minus 2i. Now we have to clean it up because we don't want any i's in our answer. Get rid of the parentheses. First, the double negative, x minus 3 times x minus 2i times x plus 2i. And that x minus 2i times x plus 2i, we can multiply that with the formula a plus b times a minus b. We have x minus 3 times bracket parenthesis x squared minus the last dude 2i parenthesis squared, close your bracket. Simplify x minus 3 times x squared minus 4 times I squared. But I squared is negative 1, so we multiply negative 4 by negative 1, we get x minus 3 times x squared plus 4, and stop right there. Look, that's looking pretty good. No more i's, but we're going to be asked to get rid of all the parentheses. So if we're getting rid of all the parentheses, let's FOIL further, and we'll get, let's see, x to the third power. When we multiply first times first, we get x to the third power, product of the outers, positive 4x, product of the inners, negative 3x squared. Last times last is negative 12. There's no common factors to combine, so our answer is x squared. Let's see, x cubed, and then we'll write it in descending order. Minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 12.